Welcome to Quiz Wave. In this video, can you find the odd construction vehicles? You have 15 seconds per game to find them. You can pause the video if you need more time. Are you ready? Let's start.
Let's begin with the forklifts. Can you spot the odd one out? Indeed, it's the one with the warm carpy effect. Now, onto the road rollers. Can you identify the one that doesn't quite fit? Absolutely, it's the one flipped. Moving along to the dump trucks. Which one catches your eye? Precisely, it's the one with the soft hazel effect. Next, front loaders. Can you pick out the one that breaks the pattern? Yes, it's the one with the warm carpy effect. Moving on to the dump trucks. Anything catching your eye? Exactly, it's the one with the cool Nordic effect. Next, let's examine the road rollers. Can you spot the odd one? Yes, it's the one with the vivid rustic effect. Moving on to the flatbed trucks. Which one appears out of place? Correct, it's the one facing the opposite direction. Mobile cranes are next. Can you find the odd mobile crane? Absolutely, it's the one facing the opposite direction. Moving on to dump trucks. Anything catching your attention? Right, it's the one with the soft aura effect.
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more content.
Cement mixer trucks are next. Which one doesn't fit? Correct, it's the one with the cool Scandi effect. Road roller. Bravo! It's the one with the cool Astro effect. Next up, the cement mixer trucks. Can you spot the odd one? Yes, it's the one with the cool Nordic effect. Stands out. Indeed, it's the one with the vivid Eldar effect. Onto the cement mixer trucks. Can you spot the odd one? Right, it's the one flipped. Moving on to the cement mixer trucks. Spot the odd one. The one flipped. Next, front loaders. Can you find the odd front loader? Well done. It's the one with the natural fresco effect. Backhoe diggers. Which one seems out of place? Yes, it's the one mirror. Next, cement mixer trucks. Can you find the imposter? Spot on. It's the one flipped. Next are the mobile cranes. Which one doesn't belong? Exactly. It's the one changed to orange. Next, road rollers. Do you notice anything odd? Yes, it's the one flipped. Moving on to the front loaders. Spot the odd one. Yes, it's the one with the parts changed to orange. Next, cement mixer trucks. Which one doesn't fit? Correct, it's the one flipped. Next, road rollers. Can you see anything odd? Spot on, it's the one mirror. Next, mobile cranes. Which one stands out? Correct, it's the one changed to orange. Next, flatbed truck. Spot the odd one. Yes, it's the one facing the opposite direction. Next, dump trucks. Can you spot the odd one out? Yes, it's the one with the warm latte effect. Next, cement mixer trucks. Which one stands out? Correct, it's the one mirrored. Next, cement mixer trucks. Can you identify the odd one? Absolutely, it's the one changed to orange. Next, dump trucks. Which one doesn't fit? Exactly, it's the one facing the opposite direction. Lastly, dump trucks. Which one is out of place? Right, it's the one flipped.
If you enjoyed this, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content.